Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create a poll in Line. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So if you want to create a poll in your own group, you can do this. Go ahead and click on the Line Messenger app, click on chat, and you can click on the group. So what you need to do now is click on the plus icon, which you can see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and you can see poll. Go ahead and tap on the poll icon, and now you can create a poll. What you need to do is click on create poll. So you can set important polls as announcements, and they will be in the first of the chat in the group. So go ahead and tap on create poll. Now what you need to do is create a poll question. So after you create a question, you can go down and you can see option over here. So you can add your own personal option. You can add emojis as well, so you can do this. And you can see you can add up to a lot of options over here. So you can go ahead and add this, and you can see the end time as well. You can set the end time yourself, and you can see the options of voting like multi-vote, anonymous vote, and allow new options. You can select this. And if you don't want the multi-vote, you can just go ahead and disallow it. If you want anonymous votes, you can allow this and click done. So you can also set the date as well. Go ahead and click on done. And you can see that this poll has been added. So you can go ahead and click on open, which is over here. And you can announce the vote as well. So you can see poll is set as announcement. So now if you go back, you can now see the poll has been created. If they click on this poll, they will be headed to a separate page where you can click on vote for the poll, click vote once, and you can see the vote will be changed. So guys, I hope this video about how you can create a poll in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.